So you know those dumb things that you buy and it's just like, it's cheap. If it works, great. And if it doesn't work, it's another hammer. I have one of those things. So far I like it. Power torque. Ratcheting adjustable hammer. Wrench. So, you click it that way, no swivel, no move. It acts just like a normal adjustable hammer. You click it off to the side, and what? It's decent. I'm not mad at it. The reason I got it is because for things like airlines there or doing stuff there, or if you're on an air tank, whatever. And it's like, I wonder. Oh, and for tightening. Yeah. It's like, dude. I have no idea how strong it is. And if it stops the ratcheting again. It's a cool hammer. But kudos to Power Torque and O'Reilly's. And it's the GM8656. So, yeah. Have a good one. Well, bye now.